CBSE Biology Class 10 Chapter 9 Heredity and Evolution Part 1A. Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook, and questions are in yellow color while answers are in white color. Why very little variation is observed in the plants of a sugarcane field. Sugarcane plants are reproduced by asexual means called vegetative propagation. Stem cuttings are used to grow new plants, thus very little variation. Why very distinct variation is observed in a number of animals including human beings. In a number of animals including human beings which reproduce sexually, quite distinct variations are visible among different individuals. The number of successful variations are maximized by the process of sexual reproduction. What do we study in heredity and in evolution? We study in heredity the mechanism by which variations are created and then inherited in successive generations, and in evolution we study the long-term consequences of the accumulation of variations, which are very interesting points to be considered. How diversity is created over generations. Inheritance from the previous generation provides both a common basic body design and the subtle changes in it for the next generation. Now think about what would happen when this new generation in its turn reproduces. The second generation will have differences that they inherit from the first generation, as well as the newly created subtle differences. Also, see the picture illustration. Which type of reproduction creates greater diversity? This picture represents the situation if a single individual reproduces, as happens in asexual reproduction. For example, if one bacterium divides and then the resultant two bacteria divide again, the four individual bacteria generated would be very similar. There would be only very minor differences between them, generated due to small inaccuracies in DNA copying. However, if sexual reproduction is involved, even greater diversity will be generated. Do all the variations in a species have equal chances of surviving in the environment? Obviously not. Depending on the nature of variations, different individuals would have different kinds of advantages. For example, bacteria that can withstand heat will survive better in a heat wave, as we have found. What is the basis of evolutionary processes? Selection of variants by environmental factors forms the basis for evolutionary processes. What is a trait? How it's different from characteristic? A trait is a distinguishing quality, a genetically determined characteristic. Example, jointed or attached earlobes and the free earlobes. Whereas the characteristic means a feature or the particular quality typical of a person. Example, the type of the earlobes. What exactly do we mean by similarities and differences of the inherited traits? We know that a child bears all the basic features of a human being. However, it does not look exactly like its parents, and human populations show a great deal of variation. Why it is said that each trait can be influenced by both parents? The rules for inheritance of all traits in human beings are related to the fact that both the father and the mother contribute practically equal amounts of genetic material to every child. This means that each trait can be influenced by both paternal and maternal DNA. Thus, for each trait, there will be two versions, paternal and maternal, in each child. Who worked out the main rules of inheritance? State its significance. Mendel worked out the main rules of inheritance, and it is very interesting to look at some of his experiments that he conducted more than a century ago. Mendel blended his knowledge of science and mathematics and was the first one to keep count of individuals exhibiting a particular trait in each generation. This helped him to arrive at the laws of inheritance. Write the differences between trait and characteristics. Trait, a distinguishing quality. Characteristic, a feature or a quality. Trait, example, tall or short plants. Characteristic, example, height of the plants. End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email. The question answers of this chapter will be continued in next video. CBSE Biology Class Chapter 8, How do organisms reproduce?